going on? All right, I'm about 46 kilometers in after a week off. Whew. Still glorious. All right, that 6-letter word that is the most feared, but also the greatest word in the universe. And what is those 6 letters? Change. I've brought this up a few times, and it's uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable for many people, including myself. What's on the other side of change comes growth, miracles, all sorts of really good stuff. But the trouble is, when we feel like we want to make a couple of changes, we think we have to change everything. Then we get overwhelmed. And then we go, it's all too hard. If you're waking up certain days and you're just feeling frustrated, miserable, sad, whatever it might be, and you know there's change that needs to be made, but you're fearing it, that calling is the greatest thing, your greatest asset, 100%. So don't fear that calling. Imagine if you just left it, it would stay the same and you would be in the same pain, if not worse. Over time, it gets harder to change. Don't be afraid of it. It takes time, patience, belief, but trust the process. We hear that a lot too. It's worth enduring. Developing an endurance mindset is also important to deal with change. Because yeah, some change takes a little bit longer than others. So don't fear it. Embrace it. Like I said, it doesn't have to be massive changes. Just find one area that you're not happy with and see what you can do. And stay with it. It'll kick you around a bit. Your old patterns are going to come back and try and hold you back from that change. Create more resistance. Keep going. It's worth it. Absolutely worth it. All right. Speaking of, changing my run course today. Well, I don't really plan them, but I went God knows where, and now I know where I'm at. It's been good. All right. Hear from you soon. See ya.